ENK Editor is one of the leading generative AI tools for content creation, but before you make a decision, there are some crucial things you should know. Stick around until the end, because we'll give you a solid comparison with other options in the market. First, ENK Editor stands out for its ability to optimize content for SEO while you write. This feature is great if you're focused on driving traffic, as it suggests keywords and adjusts your text for better ranking, which is something tools like Jasper and Writesonic can't quite match. If you're looking for advanced SEO features right within your content creation tool, this is a major plus. Next thing to consider is the writing assistance. ENK provides a ton of templates for various types of content, from blogs to social media posts, but unlike other AI tools, it also has a smart content improvement feature that analyzes your text and gives suggestions based on your tone and readability. It's more specific compared to competitors like Writehere, which might only offer basic templates. The third thing is the pricing model. ENK offers a free version, but its premium plans can get pricey, especially for the more advanced features. In comparison, tools like Copy.ai offer similar functionalities, but at a slightly lower price point for their pro plans. Make sure you weigh what features you really need before deciding which plan suits you best. The fourth thing you need to know is that ENK offers integration with Google Docs and WordPress, which makes it easy to export your work directly to your website. This is something that Jasper is catching up with, but doesn't fully streamline as well as ENK does. The fifth thing to highlight is the content scoring system. ENK uses a score based on its analysis of your content's SEO potential, which can be useful for tracking improvements over time. This is a bit more sophisticated than what's available with Copy.ai or Writesonic, though they do offer similar analytics features. Next thing to keep in mind is the AI's learning curve. While it's not difficult to get started, to really take full advantage of ENK's advanced features, it may take a little time. So if you're looking for something super intuitive right out of the gate, alternatives like Grammarly might be simpler. The seventh thing to consider is how ENK handles plagiarism checks. It includes a built-in plagiarism checker, which is useful, but it may not be as comprehensive as tools like Quetext or Grammarly, which have more advanced scanning for duplicate content. Another important factor is ENK's speed. The tool is generally fast when generating content, but if you're working on longer pieces or high-demand projects, you might notice some slowdowns. It's an issue that Jasper handles better, especially when you're writing in bulk. The ninth thing is content variety. ENK excels at blog posts and marketing copy, but may not be as effective for storytelling or creative writing compared to competitors like Sudowrite. If you're into more creative or narrative-driven content, this could be a limitation. The 10th thing to note is collaboration features. ENK has some collaboration tools, but they're not as robust as those offered by tools like Writer.com, which has real-time editing and team collaboration features built in. If team functionality is a priority, you may want to consider other options. Another thing is customer support. ENK offers support via chat and email, but it might not be as responsive as competitors like Writehere, which offers quicker responses and live chat. It's decent, but if you value quick support, this is something to keep in mind. Lastly, ENK has a focus on making content creation accessible for all levels, from beginners to more advanced marketers, thanks to its intuitive interface. However, it still lacks some of the customizability that higher-end AI tools like Jasper offer for more experienced users. In conclusion, ENK Editor is a solid choice for content creators looking to optimize their writing for SEO, with useful templates and a robust scoring system. But if you want an even better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and get a more tailored experience.